Hello everyone, welcome back to Precast Chalk Talk. My name's Hagen. As you can see, we're on site today. We're going to get up onto the deck, talk to our guys. This is a really good example of how our crews and trucks get into the job site. So many times with our precast column, beam, hollow core, floor, and structural systems are basement oriented, meaning we call these podiums. So it creates a deck upon which they can build the rest of the building. And in this case, you can see we're going to have 2 stories of precast, a 2-story podium, because in the background there, just beyond the lines that are hanging from the crane and just above the deck, you can see 2-story columns sticking up. So we're going to have another level of plank and beams. What are we detailing up on top here? Looks like there's a fair amount of welding going on and and pinning. So you can see Logan's getting ready to drop. He's dropping pins in. Those pins he's already drilled the hole for those pins to go in. Yep. Is that correct? So we're using this Hilti drill. We're drilling where? Into the ledge?
In between the plank into the beam.
Okay, so you're actually drilling into the ledge of the beam.
Yes.
And then this guy gets dropped, this little pin gets dropped down into that hole. So it goes like this. The purpose of that pin is to tie,
to keep stuff from moving.
To tie this side of the floor system to the beam. And the idea is that this plank is sitting on the ledge. So we call those double ledger beams. So the plank is sitting on this one side, this one ledge. So this drill bit, drill in, drop the pin, and then grout it. And it kind of, as you say, it kind of ties everything together.
Keep everything from moving.
Same thing on this edge over here?
That all gets welded down below.
Okay, so it's a mechanical connection of floor system to bearing, which would be an outside cast in place wall, or to this precast beam here.
Correct.
Got it. Okay. So, and rather the pins on that side, we're doing welding down below. And the difference
every building is a little different.
Every building's a little different. We're back to that 6-foot wide solid slab. And this is a massive detail.
Yeah.
I mean,
it's a lot of weld on all of them.
So there's a plate that's been embedded and cast into the top of this solid slab. That was that first piece we saw being lifted up onto the deck. And then there's 2 patch plates, right? Because you got another plate that's been cast in to this hollow core piece here.
Correct.
And then this angle gets welded to this angle, which gets welded to this plate. This angle gets welded. So there's actually 3 major welds. Wow.
And they're roughly every 2 feet. I mean, it's a lot. And he'll eventually be welding all of these on this side.
Okay, here's a good look. Yeah, so you can see. So there'll be another one that comes.
Yeah. And then that one goes against it.
Yeah. You know, this is that spot where the grout's going in. You can see it's a pretty good width. You know, that's a good 1.25 inches, maybe or more.
Yeah, and then narrows out towards the bottom, and it's got the keyway that helps strengthen it and lock it all together.
Yep. So the grouts, it's a sand and cement mixture that we bring in and we cast and pour into or push into, squeegee into these joints. Always grateful everyone for tuning in and checking out what's going on in the precast world. We're super excited to be a part of this very cool project. And I know there's a lot of detail today, but these things will help us in our future programs, you know, to bring more learning around connections. The connection is probably the most intricate and critical part of the precast system. And so it's good to be able to get this in front of you today. Super grateful for Adam and his team and the time we have. 15 years experience, add in all the other guys. There isn't a team and a company that's better suited to be able to put these projects together. So thanks for tuning in. Until next time, peace.